This is your reading for today. Your cards are Two of Pentacles and Ten of Cups. In a connection you have with somebody, there has been some communication or some misunderstanding which has likely left you feeling a little heartbroken, right? But you know what it is over here? Whatever the communication has happened, I think somewhere you are aware that you have not said things very clearly. And this is a time period where you need to set your ego aside and just say things very clearly, right? And for yourself, not for the other person. That if I do this, the other person is going to respond like this. No, not like that. But for the fact that I want to explain this and I want to explain this very clearly, right? You know somewhere that there are things that you have to say, but you haven't. You've kept it in your mind for too long. And really don't be afraid of saying it. You are going to feel a rise in your own strength, and there is going to be a lot of things that are going to be cut off, like unwanted weeds and shrubs that you need to cut off. If you communicate clearly and with balance, it will come. Now the only thing that we need to take care over here is the intention behind that. Whenever there is honesty and clarity behind the intention and purity in the intention, the rest of the things follow. You don't have to do anything much over there. You just have to keep the honesty and clarity of your intention over here. And you have to really understand that why am I doing this? Not because of an expectation, like I said, from the other person. Not because from now onwards, if I do this, I want the other person to respond in a certain manner. No, not for that. But because I need to lift the weight from my heart. And this person is basically thinking a little tired because of some circumstances in their own life, and they're really thinking that what did I do that he or she is behaving with me so curtly? What did I do really? And this person is unable to understand what really happened. So clarity of communication is required over here, and balanced communication. It should always be, that we are focused on the ways we can grow and not put our eyes on how can the other person change. And that is when you get clarity and balance. And that is when healing actually happens. And you will see how you will rise in maturity if you take this approach. Take a small step and bring clarity over here. And don't be despondent about the situation. There is nothing to be despondent about. It will help you grow and the relationship. It will help it grow in maturity and abundance.